Hi, I'm Angie, and today we're going to be making a spring pudding. For our spring pudding, first we are going to break 3 eggs, and then we are going to mix them up. We're going to add our breadcrumbs, and then our cream, and we're going to mix those together and make sure the breadcrumbs are nice and soaked. Then we're going to add some spinach, break that up a little bit. And then here are our dandelion leaves that we forage. And our violet leaves. We're going to put some salt in and some nutmeg, which may sound strange, but that's very 18th century. And then we're going to get a nice clean cloth after we mix all this up and put some water on it. And then we're going to flour it. And put our spring pudding mixture onto the cloth. And then we're going to use some string and tie this up into a nice little bundle. And we're going to drop it into a pot of boiling water where it will sit for 45 minutes.
And this is how our spring pudding turned out. I added a little lemon zest at the end. You could put that in before you put the pudding in, but we just put some on top because it looks very nice. And we added some wild violets as well. Disclaimer, if you are foraging for food, make sure that you are doing it with someone who is knowledgeable of what they are doing, or you are knowledgeable yourself. Thank you for joining us for making spring pudding. Come out to Brattonsville and see what else we're cooking up.